Notice to mariners. SN to be publication issued by maritime authorities such as National Hydrographic Office or Coast Guard to provide important information to navigators and mariners on the changes affecting nautical charts and navigation safety. The primary purpose is to provide timely information about geography, change, newly discovered hazard, and updates to navigation odds by keeping their nautical product current with the latest. As maritime can maintain situation awareness and navigation safety.
The importance of NTM. 1. Safety of navigation. NTMs provide critical information about hazards such as changes in seas, routes, risks, submerged objects, or any obstruction that may affect safe navigation. They alert mariners about temporary or permanent changes in navigation signals, which can significantly impact vessel operations. Number 2. Up-to-date information. NTMs ensure that the most recent information is available to mariners. Outdated charts and navigational data could lead to inefficiencies as conditions at sea can change quickly. Regularly updates through navigation system accurate and current. 3. Legal requirement. Mariners are legally required to be aware of notice to mariners. In many cases, failure with NTMs can be considered negligence, especially of leads to accidents or damage.
Improve risk management by keeping vessels informed about correct conditions, help produce risk, whether it's informing about temporary hazard like a military exercise or permanent change like the relocation of a reduce. This notice help marine avoid dangerous situations. Adds a baggage planning. Before begins, Marines review the list to plan the safest route, knowing about recent change to motorway, tides, current, or impactors can assist in planning a more efficient and safe journey. Support for navigation chart. Often update amid information found on nautical chart. This ensures that Marines are using the most accurate and recent chart information, which is essential for safe navigation.
Section 1. Explanatory notes and annexes to Section 2. Explanatory notes. Explanatory notes in this context are extended to provide clarifications and detailed explanations about the content, terminology, and concepts covered in the document. These notes ensure that mariners can accurately content, terminology, and concept covered in the document. These notes ensure that mariners can accurately understand and use the information that allows minimizing the risk, confusion, or mistake. For example, explanatory notes in Section 1 might include clarifications of symbols or terms, explaining the meaning of specific symbols, terms, abbreviations used in Section 2. For instance, what certain markers on charts represent, or what specific terms like light characteristic or navigational hazard mean. Instruction is on how to use the information, explaining how mariners should apply the information from Section 2 in their navigation. This could involve how to interpret updates to charts, how to plot new positions, or how to follow new recommendations. Guidelines on charts direction. Providing guidelines on how to apply the correction listed in Section 2 to 10 existing charts. This could include instruction on how to mark corrected areas on paper charts or update digital charts.